Hello students, these are the next two exercises from chapter number 10, Halving. Exercise number 42 and 43. Let's start with exercise number 42. Be ready. Start. When I left New York, I asked to have my mail sent on to me at Winnipeg. Although I shall be in Winnipeg on Wednesday, the 16th, I may go on to Regina late that night. In any case, I should be in Regina on the 17th, and I think it would be best to dispatch my mail to that city, as it might not reach Winnipeg in time. The York store could not give me a check as you wished. They said the best they could do would be to pay in 2 months' time. I could do nothing with them at this time. The firm is moving its store to Baxter Avenue, and for that reason I could not sell them anything. They will let me know as soon as the new store is ready. Next is exercise number 43 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. We are sorry to know that the goods we charged on our invoice of 10th August have not yet reached you. We shipped them in 2 cases the same day the bill was sent to you, and we marked and shipped the cases in the usual way. As far as we know, the cases should reach you as soon as this note, that is, today or tomorrow. So these are the next two exercises of chapter number 10, exercise number 42 and 43. Thanks for watching this video. Share, drop a like and subscribe the channel. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.